Hi guys, welcome back to Akitchenadvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making, guess what? As Halloween is just around the corner, we will share with you no-bake pumpkin cheesecake in Instant Pot. Yes, we go back to Instant Pot recipes. You will find the full recipe and ingredients in link below. Also, if you are interested in other Halloween related recipes made by us, check our Halloween pumpkin bread. The link is also below this video. Let's start with making crust. First thing first, crack the crackers. We're using graham crackers. Add salt, brown sugar and melted butter. Mix with hands. This is my favorite part, by the way. Cover the springform pan with parchment paper. Put the crackers mix into the cheesecake pan. Spread it evenly and press it with drinking glass all around. Put it into a freezer for a few minutes while you mix up the cheesecake batter. Now let's make the filling. Place room temperature cream cheese, sour cream, salt and brown sugar to stand mixer equipped with a whisk attachment and mix at medium speed to cream. Add pumpkin puree and cornstarch into the bowl and mix on medium speed until creamy. Crack eggs, add vanilla extract and spices. Scrape the bowl down and mix a few seconds more until smooth. Pour the butter into the 8-inch springform. Tap the springform pan to get rid of the air bubbles. Add 1 cup of water into Instant Pot. Place the steam rack inside the Instant Pot. Put the cheesecake form on the steam rack. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program with high pressure settings and set time to 28 minutes. When it's done, wait another 5 minutes. Open the pressure cooker using natural release. Take out the pumpkin cheesecake from Instant Pot and let it cool down. Here is a tip for you to avoid extra moisture. Leave the cake on the rack and cover it with a paper towel and microwave plastic lid on the top. The paper towel will absorb moisture and the cake will stay dry. Let's make caramel. Add flour into the casserole and fry it until golden brown. Add sugar and butter. Melt it. Keep stirring until it becomes completely homogeneous. Now it's time to add hot milk. Pour it slowly and keep stirring it continuously until it's ready. It means no undissolved bits. Add salt if desired. Pour caramel into the pumpkin cheesecake and spread it evenly. Don't be shy, move it around. Refrigerate it for a few hours. For the best results, leave it in the fridge overnight. To make the topping, you can garnish the cake with dollops of whipped cream before serving or enjoy just plain. For whipped cream dollops, combine sugar with whipping cream and whisk it. Decorate with cookie press or piping bag. Sprinkle with grounded cinnamon. It's yummy, light, creamy and smooth cheesecake with a pumpkin twist inside. Happy Halloween, everybody! Before we make the first bite, let me say big thank you to all our subscribers. Also, don't forget to press the like button. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.